Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. If you want to enable picture-in-picture feature, then this guide is for you. Or if you are tired of YouTube videos floating around your screen in picture-in-picture mode on your iPhone, then we will share steps on how to turn it off completely in just a few simple taps. Picture-in-picture is a feature that is available exclusively to YouTube Premium subscribers. While it can be useful at times, sometimes it can also be annoying. To enable or disable it, first unlock your iPhone and open the YouTube app. Make sure you are signed into your account. Then tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. From here, tap on the settings button from the top right corner. It looks like a gear icon. In the settings menu, look under video and audio preferences. Here you have to tap on playback option. On the next page, find the picture-in-picture mode. Simply toggle the switch on to turn it on, or to turn it off, toggle the switch off. If you turned it off, YouTube videos will no longer pop out and play in a small window when you swipe up or exit the app. If you still see picture-in-picture happening after turning it off in YouTube or don't see it after turning it on, you have to check your iPhone's main settings. Go to Settings, tap on General, and then tap on Picture-in-Picture and make sure right setting is selected there as well. And that's it. This is how you can enable or disable picture-in-picture mode for YouTube. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips.